roll out something that actually has scientifically been proven in my dissertation to increase profitability, to increase productivity, to increase senses of belonging, and to increase equity. Hi, Dr. V here, and I am the author of Fix Your Face, Watch Your Tone, Women Know What's Needed. And today I would discuss one of the things that women don't need any more of. So let me set the stage. A letter comes in the mail. It says you have a brand new benefit. People get very excited. They rip open the letter to find out that they now have the ability to have an online workout routine customized for them. And it's all done from the comfort of your home. What a great new benefit. Except, I would suggest that the last thing women want or need is yet another exercise program or another diet or another opportunity to hyper focus on their appearance. I don't want that. And most women don't. You know what we do want though? We would love a new benefit where we get grocery delivery service or a house cleaning stipend or meal kit delivery or laundry services. Like if you really want to do something for us that's going to increase our productivity, make it easier for us to strategize, create a more equitable personal and professional experience. Give us the social support that we need and stop giving us ways to once again over concentrate on our appearance, which is truly the least interesting thing about any of us. So, calling all the companies into the conversation, take a look at your benefits package. I don't need another online training program, and I'm not saying it's my particular job that gave me that, and I'm not saying it's not a helpful benefit. I'm saying if you want to take the time to roll out a brand new benefit, roll out something that actually has scientifically been proven in my dissertation to increase profitability, to increase productivity, to increase senses of belonging, and to increase equity, specifically when it comes to women. So send me a domestic cleaning person. Send me a stipend so that I don't have to vacuum my corporate workspace. Send me groceries to my front door. Send me meal kits. Send me that. Don't send me to another gym. Thanks.